Hi guys, today we'll explain how to add colors in your text using Adobe Premiere Pro. This process is really simple and easy, and you can see I open my Adobe application and open a project, and this one is my imported video. I have done all the things, like I transcript the whole sequence, and also I created captions. This one is my subtitles before adding color in your text. You have to turn on a feature, and the name of the feature is Essential Graphics. This feature will help you in adding color in your text. If you don't have it here, then tap on this window icon. And here you can see the same feature of Essential Graphic. Click on it, and this will be added in your Adobe. With the help of this feature, you can easily edit your text, like you can change fonts, also can add color and stroke, and the other things. Now after turning it on, select the text in which you want to add colors. Currently, I don't have any kind of color on my text. First thing is, I will take the timeline to that text to where I want to add colors. I want to add color in this text. Double-click on it. Select your text like I am selecting. After selecting the text, take a look on the Essential Graphic panel. A setting is open where you can see your written text. Also, text font. And here, you can also align your text and scroll down to the last. This feature is useful for adding color. Simply click on this, and here is a panel. If you have a code of color, then paste that code. Then that specific color will be selected in Adobe, and it is the best feature of Adobe. But if you want to add a random color from here, then take this line to that color to which you want to add. Like I want to add the green color. So here is the green color. The next thing is take your mouse cursor and click here. Now the green color has been selected. You can see the last thing is click on the option, OK. Now if I do a random click here, you can see the green color has been added to my text. Let me open it fully, so you can see the green color has been added. So with the help of this Essential Graphic feature, you can add color to your text easily.